Hello friends, in this video I am talking about NCERT class 6 history chapter number 5 question answer. Chapter name is what books and where else tell us. So let's get started and see. First is match the columns. Okay, let's see the answer. First is Sukta. Sukta, well said. Next is Charots, used in battles. Next is Yajna. Yajna, sacrifices. Next is Dasa. Dasa, slave. Okay. Next is Megalith, a stone boulder. Okay. Let's see the next is uh, complete the sentences. Okay. Megalith, complete the sentences. First is slaves were used for. Right answer is work. Slaves were used for works. Next is uh, megaliths are found in South India, Northeast and Kashmir. Okay. Next is stone circles or boulders on the surface were used to answer is indicate the exact place of burials. Okay. Next question 4 is uh, potholes were used for. Right answer is burying the other member of the same family at the same place. Okay. Next question 5 is people at the Inamagon at. Right answer is wheat, barley, rice, pulses, millets, peas, sesame, etc. Okay. Let's see the next question number 3 is in what ways the books we read today different from the Rig Veda? Answer is the books we read today are the written by the printed. Okay. And the Rig Veda was the recited and heard rather than read. For the many years from the generation to generation, the process continued. It was the written down several centuries after it was the first composed and the printed less than 200 years ago. Okay. Next question 4 is what kind of evidence from the burials do archaeologists use to find out the whether there were social difference amongst those who were burned? Answer is sometimes the archaeologists find a circle of stone builders or a single large stone standing on the ground. These are the only indication that there are the burials beneath. Okay. All these burials have some common features. Generally, the dead were buried with the distinctive pot, which are called the black and the red ware. Okay. Also found are tools and the weapons of the iron and sometimes a skeleton of horses, equipments and ornaments of the stone and global. Okay. Next is several kinds of evidence from the burials do archaeologists use to find out that there was the social difference amongst those who were buried underneath the megaliths. They think that object found with the skeleton probably belonged to the dead person. Sometimes more objects were found in one grave than in another. For the instance, in Brahmagiri, one skeleton was buried with 33 gold. Okay. And next is 33 golds, 2 stone bears and 4 copper bangles and 1 conch shell. Other skeletons had only a few pot. Perhaps there were the difference in the status amongst the people who were buried. Perhaps some were rich, other poor, and some cheap, other followers. Okay. Let's see the next question on 5 is in what ways do you think that the life of a Raja was different from that of a Dasa or Dasi? Let's answer. In the society, Raja was one of the highest civil position. Rajas were the kings of the community, whereas the Dasas and Dasis were the lowest position in the society. The Dasas and Dasis were the slaves who were used for the work They were treated as the property of their owners. They were captured in war. Okay. Next question number 6 is find out whether your school library has a collection of the books and religion and the list the names of the 5 books from the collection. That's the answer. Do yourself with the help of your subject teacher and a school librarian. In the simple set of the 5 books as the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Bible, and the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, and the Quran. Next question 7th is and do yourself. Okay, question is write down a short poem of the song that you have the memorized. Did you hear or the read the poem or the song? How did you learn it by heart? Do yourself. Okay. Next question, do yourself. Let's see the next question is choose the correct option to the complete the statements given below. Okay, so let's get see. Next question is the Godha is a tributary of the right answer is Narmada. Okay. Next question number 2 is Brahmagiri is a site in modern. Right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Let's see the next question is which of these was not a category of the people in the society? What is right answer? Right answer is Sudra. Okay. Let's see the next question. 4th is Inamagaon is situated on the river. Right answer is Bhima. Okay. Let's see the next question. 5th is the Godha is a tributary of the. Right answer is Bhima. Okay. Let's see the next question. 6 is Brahmagiri is a site in the modern. Right answer is A, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Let's see the next question. Fill in the blanks. What is the question? Question is the oldest of the Vedas is. Right answer is Rig Vedas. Okay. Let's see the next question. Next question is the Rig Vedas was the composed about blank years ago. Right answer is 3500 years ago. Okay. Next question. 3rd is the Hymans is the Vedas have been referred to as blank which means blank. The right answer is Sukta. Yani means the Hymans in the Vedas have been referred to Sukta. Well said. Okay. Next question 4 is the major gods preside in the hymns of the Rigveda where and where. Right answer is Indra and Agni Soma. Okay. Next question 5th is Sanskrit is the part of blank family of languages. Right answer is Indo-European. Okay. Next question 6 is in a hymen in the Rigveda Vishwamitra used the word sister for the 2 rivers blank and blank. Right answer is Vish and Sutlej. Okay. Next question. Next 7 is Brahmans and Rajas were 2 groups of people in the terms of. Right answer is work. Okay. Next question is slaves were captured during. Right answer is war. Okay. War. Okay. Next question 9 is stone borders used for the marking buried sites are called. Right answer is war. Okay. Next question number 10 is black and red where are the words used for. Right answer is megaliths amphitheaters. Okay, that were buried with the dead. Okay. Let's see the next true or false. Question is the Rig Veda was written for the first time by hand about 3500 years ago. This is false. Okay. Next is Soma was the warrior god. This is false. Okay. Next is the Rig Veda contains prayers for cattle, children and horses. This is true. Okay. Next is battles were fought for land, water and captured people. This is true. Next is sons automatically succeed father as rajas. This is not true. Okay. Next question 6 is Uh, Next question 6 is megaliths were used to mark burial sites. This is true. Okay. Next is members of families were usually buried together. This is true. Okay. Next is in a hymn in the Rig Veda, Vishwamitra has a dialogue with the Veds and the Sutlej were two women. This is false. Okay. Next is Sanskrit and Tamil belongs to the same family of language. This is false. Okay. Next question is which those given in the column match the following. Okay, so let's see the match. First is Sanskrit. Right answer is Sanskrit Indo-European. Okay, and second is Tamil. Tamil is Dravidian. Okay. Next is Greek. Greek is Indo-European. Okay. Next is SS Metz. Fourth is SS Metz is Tibet Brahman. Next is French. French is Indo-European. Okay. Next is Manipuri. Sixth is Manipuri is Tibet Brahman. Seventh is Kannada. Kannada is Dravidian. Okay. Next is Tibetan. It is Tibetan is the Tibeto Brahman. Next is languages used in the central India. Right answer is Austro-Asiatic. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.